Alright, y'all, so right now we are shooting some test colors for our next drag bite, which is right there. Y'all check it out. And y'all might think it looks good right now, which it does, but we're gonna put our own twist to it. So a lot of these colors, you really don't know what they look like until you shoot them. In order to really see them in person, like you have to actually test it, and we have to make sure it's a color that we want. So probably show y'all what's gonna be everybody's favorite right here, which is gonna be a teal, and it's got a bunch of flake in it. It's called Mermaid Candy. Next up is either gonna be one of these oranges. This is a fluorescent orange from Columbia Coatings, and this is a orange glow from Prismatic. So both these oranges are really important because that's going to be probably what we go with the frame. So that's why we're shooting them, because we're testing. So both these oranges are, we're going to kind of pick and choose tonight which one we're going to go with. The last color is just a green, and this is the color that we're really scared about because it's kind of hard to really get it out how we want it, and we really kind of don't know what we want. So, well, we'll see about it. This big old bag here is just some clear coat. We're gonna try the clear coat just to see how it dims, if it dims any of these powders, because we want the orange and the green and even the teal to be as bright as possible. So like super bright. So we'll see if it dims it. So right now all we're doing is testing, and the white is almost done. So if y'all want to see how we pick each one of our parts, how we pick the color to them, just stay around till after we see what the colors look like, and then we're gonna put them up next to it, and then that's how we pick which piece is gonna be which color and all that. So we already have an idea in our head. We just gotta see the colors first. 30 took a sneak peek at the green, so we can't lie to y'all, but man, that green, ooh, that bit bright. Look at it. That green bright as hell. First peek at the fluorescent orange. Oh, uh-oh. We haven't looked at it yet, I swear to God. We was just videoing about to open it, so here we go. Construction site. You think the frame looked bad if just the frame was orange? We just don't know how the teal is gonna look, like just the frame teal. It might look good though, but
right. Okay.
I don't know. Yeah, the teal is fucking.
Either way you do it, I don't think it's gonna look bad.
The teal hits in the daylight.
That teal at night.
Y'all, so we put a clear coat on it just to see if it fades the bottom. It just makes it a different type of tone of green, orange. So we want it to be as bright as possible. Also, our next orange piece in here, so let's check it out. Man, it's gonna be cool. I don't know.
Move back.
Oh, you can definitely see a line. Yeah, but this side
The clear almost looks better.
The clear looks better. My shit don't work. I don't know what's going on. It's like opposite of each other. Let me flip it around so y'all, the clear coat is on the bottom of both of these. So this one's bright and that one's dull. I don't know. First impressions, I don't know what we're about to do because I don't know what I like. How did this one change so much color? Like, how did it get so dark? Moment of truth here. Let's see in the sunlight. God damn. So that's that fluorescent orange with the clear coat on it. We ain't even gotta go over these because this is what we're going with for sure. This is the green on the back side. Clear coat, no clear coat. Looks about the same.
You can't even tell.
Yeah. I think we found our orange. Now we have less than a week. Now we have less than a week to powder coat that whole bike. This is gonna be the other color. Oh, dude, in the sunlight. Oh my God, nasty. Oh yeah. So y'all, this is gonna be our third color. We like to do 3 color combinations. So, oh yeah, that's what it is. Oh yeah, gotta put a little sneak peek on the Instagram. How's it look? How's it look? See a difference? The clear coat's up top.
Yeah, I can. I think it looks better with it, huh?
Yeah, it's bright. You know, it's stupid bright.
Crazy.
Bro, that teal is just.
You could do a whole bike just that color.
I know. Like, bro, look at it.
That's crazy.
So we wanted this to be a short video to show y'all how we decide what part is gonna be what color and what colors we actually pick. We kind of do like the 3 of us, me and my 2 other brothers. We kind of just pick each part that we all think. Right now, what we're thinking is the whole frame is gonna be orange, and that's the only thing that's gonna be orange, just the frame. That way, it's not too much orange. And then the big pieces, you know, we want a lot of that. We want a lot of teal on it, right? Because teal looks good. So swing arm teal, 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 and really all the main kind of big pieces besides the frame is gonna be teal, and the rest of the small pieces are just gonna be green. So for right now, we're probably gonna take apart the bike, get all of our pieces of each color. So just orange, and then we're gonna put all the teal in one section, all the green in one section. That way we can get it ready for sandblast and powder coat and put it back together. So we wanted to show y'all just the process of how we do it and make a quick video for y'all to see. If y'all want to see us putting it together, just check out the next video. So we'll see y'all. Thank y'all for watching.